First, let me start off by saying that I freaking love Nepal. I've been here 3 times in the last 10 years, covering everything from the Maoist rebels to the country's failing health system. It is such a study in contrast. I mean, it is the Himalayan kingdom replete with some of the greatest natural beauty, unparalleled on earth, and yet it's one of the poorest countries in the world as well. When I heard about the earthquake, I knew I had to get here. There was some foundations that were bringing volunteers over, so I hitched a ride, and here I am on the ground to see it. And right off the bat, we're looking at a tent camp here where people have been sleeping out in the open. And you can see this building literally right here. The entire outer wall is just missing and collapsed, and yet all around on this block, it's seemingly untouched. There's a big aftershock right here. Whoa, everything's swinging the trees. The ground just keeps swaying, so you literally feel like it's just still going on. It's like both sides of the street. You got that building that's just leaning over, this rubble here, crushed car there. It's really overwhelming. So we just came across this house here. It's like an accordion, literally. It's like some houses were spared here, and then you've got a house like this. Your house?
Yes, this is my house.
I'm sorry. What do you do now? How do you rebuild?
Nothing.
Do you move? Do you go somewhere else?
This ground.
In a tent?
Yes.
But your family okay?
Yes, all of family okay.
Yeah. So that's most important.
Most of it, family okay.
Walking around here is no easy task. I walked along this path here and then came across this. What the hell? I mean, this is a whole city block. Demolished. Because you're the commanding officer here, what's going on with this building? It's literally like a 60-degree angle.
Still, there is 3 or 4 dead bodies inside.
What's going on here?
Just recently, the earthquake is 7.4, and we are planning to build a small shelter for patients.
How about you? Where were you? What happened?
I was at Sanku. I was almost like 30 minutes far away from here.
Sanku is a town northeast of Kathmandu, towards the epicenter of the second earthquake. It's 3,359 years old.
And when earthquake hit, people were really scared because this is the second, I think, third biggest earthquake ever happened in Nepal. But still, we all are united and stick together so that we can help each other.
I filmed there after the first quake, just before the second one, and can't imagine what it looked like after already being hit hard. They were rebuilding in Sanku, in Kathmandu, and all over Nepal. And this second quake hit. And now there have been 24 aftershocks here since then. But in a weird way, they ground you. They make you realize the power of nature, sure, but more than that. The earth rumbles, and despite tragedy, you see people strive and go on, no matter how shaky the ground.
On another episode of Seeker Stories.
Alright, so we're basically going undercover here. Yeah, those were cages of bears. I mean, stop. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there.
This episode is a part of Seeker Stories. To see all the stories we post here, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.